Suresh, you share the screen, Suresh.
Okay. Can you see SAP screen?
No.
Stop sharing. Full screen. Monitor. Review now.
No, we cannot see. Now it came. Now it came.
Okay.
See, previously what we have done means we have posted some entries, we have checked the reports, correct? No, everything we have done.
Yes.
Okay, those are all the posted entries, correct? No. See, once posted means that is final. See, for wrong also document number will come, for right also document number will come. Okay, and another thing is we cannot delete the entry. Deletion is not possible in the SAP. Okay, once you posted means that is final. Okay, if wrong means that is different story. Okay, now the concept right, parking, right? Parking document. Write some definition. Parking is used for temporary purpose. Parking is used for a temporary purpose. Parking is used for temporary purpose. Authorized person will post the parking document. Authorized person will post the parking document. Authorized person means who? Manager. Authorized person will post the parking document. See, for example, in the companies, no, some doubtful entries will be there, no. For example, they have not given the confirmation to post the entries. Those types of entries, what they will do, no, they will put it in park. Okay, what is the advantage of park means in park you can change the amount and you can change the date also. That is the possibility is there in parking. But in posted nothing. Once you post means that is final. But park means you are putting within in one place. See, today you are parking. After 3 months, you can change that one amount. You can change the date and you can post. That possibility is there in parking. Okay, that we will see today. Okay, now what we will do now, we will do one small parking. Okay, write the T code. And another thing is we can change the amount, we can change the date in the parking. We can change the amount and we can change the date also.
T code.
Slash and F-65.
Slash and F.65, right?
F dash.
F-65. Okay.
Same like entry only. Do one some parking. Put today's date. Everything came. SA company code 40 debit. Okay. Select any GL account. Company code. Which one you are doing? Which one? That one?
Salary 100.
Salary. Okay. Enter. Let's put some 10,000. Put salary. Put 20,000. Otherwise, something you put.
Okay.
20,000 you put. Salary paid. 20,000. Salary paid. Salary paid. Posting key 50. Put cash there. Cash account. Cash account. Enter. 20,000. Salary paid. Save. See, down came, no? One message came, see.
Oh, park because of the
Document was a park. Previously, what message came? Posted came, correct, no? One you posted, no? Now this was a parked. Now we will check the balance. Same T code. Checking the parked balance. We need to check the balance. Checking the parked document balance. / and FBL3N. Checking the parked balance. / and FBL3N. / and 3N. Go to / and FBL3N. No, type there only. Okay. Okay. No problem. Select the GL account. Which one you parked? Salary, no?
Salary.
Now execute. It came, no. Why it is not coming? This is parked. Okay. See, parked means all the parked items will be saved in parked. Down one button is there. See, parked. Normal and parked. Remove the normal button. Normal means posted entries it will show. Okay. Parked means parked entries it will show. Click on parked. Tick mark on parked. Execute. See, now came, no? See, this is the symbol of parked. Triangular symbol is coming. Okay. Posted entries means a tick mark will come. This is the difference between posted and parked. Okay. See, normal items means what means? If you go back, if the tick is in normal items means all the posted entries will show in the normal items. Okay. If you do any parking means all the parkings will be available in parked items. That is the difference. Means this one we are storing in separate place. Okay, we are storing in a separate place. Okay, next, right. Change of parking.
Sorry, Sheikh, actually, what is the T code? /N FBL3N, right?
Report / and FBL3N.
Okay.
Next, change of parking document. Change of parking document. If you want to change anything in amount, no, in future, okay, we can change the amount. / and FBV2. / and FBV2. / and FBV2. FBV2. Okay, automatically document came. Enter. If you want, you can change the amount 20 to 25,000. Okay, double click on debit. Double click on 20,000. Remove 20. You can put 25. Go back. Change the credit also. Credit also you change. 25. Go back. If you want, we can put the future date. Where you will put means header is there, no? Document header. No, document header. Last. Document header tab. If you click that one means date will be enabled. See here.
Oh.
If you want, we can change. See, today you are parking, Santosh, for example. Today is what date? 29/6. Okay, we have parked. Okay, in December they need to do this thing. Okay, at that time what they will do now in December time they will put the December date and they will change the amount. That is possibilities. Okay, like that we can do. Now go save. Go back and save.
I can change the date to
No need. Put today's only. Example I'm telling. If you want, we can change in future.
Okay, Sheva.
Save. Now we have changed only the amount only. Correct, no?
Yeah.
Now save.
Enter save. Save is not working.
No, go back. Now save. So now if you go and check the balance, no, in FBL3N, the amount will be 25,000. We changed it, no. /n FBL3N. No, it is not parked only. We have not posted, no.
Oh,
we have
okay.
changed it. We have changed it.
Change the date. Okay.
That's all, no. We have changed the amount. That's all.
Okay, now
Execute. 25 will be there. See, 25 came, no? Like that, we can change. Possibilities are there to change the amount, to change the dates, like that. Okay. But in posted entries, we cannot do anything. Correct, no?
yeah.
See, once you posted means that is final. But in parked, we can do the changes. Okay, now what they have decided, no, okay, after 1 month, after 2 months, after 6 months, okay, they have kept in one place. They want to do some changes for this entry. They have changed. Okay, now they want to post this one finally. We can post. Okay, right. Posting of parking document. Posting of parking document /n FBV0. Posting of parking document /n FBV0 /n FBV0 /n FBV0 posting of parking document. /n FBV0. Type the T code.
/n FBV0. Okay.
Okay, like this it will come. Enter. Already. See, while posting also you can change the amount. Possibilities is there.
Okay.
Okay. For example, we will put the same amount and we will post. Save.
It's taking too much time.
Sometimes it will take.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
No, program must be regenerated. Access the transaction again.
I think another time you need to do, I think.
Okay.
FBV0. Now post. Save.
Yeah.
See over. Okay. Means now we have posted. Now if you go and check the balance, it won't be available in Park. Why? Because we have posted, no.
Yes.
Now first go and check in Parked with the T code /n FBL3N. First check in Parked. Nothing will be there. Execute. It is already in Park only. See, nothing is there. Why? Because we posted. Okay. it will come to normal. Remove that one. Normal. Now execute. See, now came. Understand? Say tick mark MC here. This is the concept parking. Okay. Like that, what you need to do means try to post some posted entries and some parked entries, and you can check. Okay. Posted entries will be in normal items, parked will be in parked items. Okay. After do some changes and do the post, the parking will jump to posted. Once you post it. This is the concept.
Take one clarification here. The parked document, only the same user can park it and they can post it subsequently, or different users have to do this. See, for example,
no, depend.
Yeah.
Tell me.
Because generally the parking is used when we need to do some review before posting, right? So in that case, one user will park the document. Another is supervisor or manager will review and post, right?
Correct.
So then normally there is an access restriction for this.
Correct. What they will do now for posted is there no FBV0. Okay, that T code won't have the access for the user. Okay, only the manager will have. For example, if you are the manager means, okay, you will having the access of the T code FBV0. Okay, you can go to that T code and you will check and give the approval and you will save. That's why I'm telling authorized person.
Okay, so the normal user will have access only to NF-65, right?
Correct, exactly, perfect. User will have only the F-65 and the FBV2 also sometimes.
Yeah, changes, edit they can do.
Change he can do. Okay, but posting will happen only the authorized person.
Okay.
Why? Because he need to decide whether to. That's why some in companies now some entries will be there that only the manager will give the approvals. Okay, sometimes what they will do, no, they won't confirm the entries. Okay, after confirmation only the manager will decide whether to go for posting or not. Why? Because once they posted means that is final. It will be available in the balance sheet reports. Okay, but the parking is it won't display in the balance sheet reports all the parking documents. Okay, only posted entries only the original balance sheet profit and loss accounts will come. Okay, that's why they will keep the parking in some place when time comes means. See, now once we posted, okay, now we are thinking that this is wrong. For example, I'm telling. See, you have kept parking for 2-3 months, then you posted. Then afterwards they decided this is also wrong. This one wrong actually. Okay, for that one we cannot delete. Correct? No, deletion is not possible. For that one, only reverse. That tomorrow we will see.
Okay.
How to reverse the documents. Okay, Santosh, Suresh, before that you try some 5-6 entries for salary paid today. Some amount 500 for like 5,000, 2,000 like that. Okay, for salary account you try to post some 5 to 6 entries.
Okay.
Why? Because it will be easy to do the reverse. I will show you how we will reverse the single document, how we will reverse the multiple documents. Okay, if entries are there means then only it will be easy for us.
Okay,
Okay, some 5 to 10 entries. Okay. Venkatesh, you try today. Okay.